Looking to transform your living room for a fraction of the cost? Bring new life to your old, worn-out furniture with Subrtex's two-piece Stretch Jacquard Damask slipcover. To install, begin by placing the slipcover over your furniture's back section and using the seams to align the edges of the rear section. Next, align the armrest with the seams and adjust the cover according to the contours of the furniture. Put the covered cushion back in position and tuck in all excess fabric in the crevices. The revolutionary spandex and elastic fabric of Subrtex's slipcover allows for optimum stretch. Refreshing your decor is as easy as changing your wardrobe while maintaining and protecting your valued investments for years to come.